Quintessentially Natuzzi edition styling with this clean and minimal look. 2 cushions on each sofa. This is the Bridge model, and look at this style with a wonderful slim narrow track arm, and with this off-white leather against this black leg, giving you a pinpoint designer crisp style, very plain and minimal, and showcased here in this wonderful protected, family friendly and very durable Le Mans leather. These headrests can be raised to multiple positions for a high back comfort, working together with the power recliner with an underbar from underneath, operated by this button here on the side, taking you out to a lovely and comfortable reclined position. Adjust the headrest further so that you can keep online to watch the TV or your home cinema. Rated as medium comfort, and the smell of this wonderful leather. All the seats on this set are power recliner, both on this 3-seater and the very generously sized 2-seater. At 190 centimeter, this is larger than a normal 2-seater. Love seat. You'll fit 3 people on this sofa, and measuring 2.2 meters, this larger 3-seater with such a narrow arm gives you the opportunity at a party for 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So in total you could fit 7 people on this suite at a cozy gathering. Both sofas feature the power recliner with the extending underbar and these adjustable headrests. At 2.2 meters, this is a large and generously sized sofa. The black leg contrasts superbly with this off-white leather on this minimal, slim, narrow track arm. Wonderful soft feeling protected leather. A limited in-stock offer at Sofa Max warehouse showroom. While in stock, we can supply one of these brand new in the packaging and ready for immediate delivery from Natuzzi Edition sofas in a medium comfort seating